What's up, everybody? It's your boy Catloco, and today I didn't go to the junkyard. There was no point. My garage looks like this. Like I can't do anything with the garage looking like this. I got car parts. I got shit on the ground. My bag. I got boxes. All kinds of stuff. Just sitting everywhere. My bench is a mess.
Help me!
Got beer cans, all kinds of stuff. There you go, TJ. All this stuff. I got the mystery box. And I got the air compressor. I ain't gonna show you what I did today yet. But I got this bare wall that I'm gonna utilize with the space that I'm limited to. But anyway, I gotta clean all this shit up. It's a fucking disaster. So let's do a little cleaning.